in the young minds about the space of the solar system and the planets, particularly Mars. Unfortunately, in our country, not many people recognize or acknowledge the importance of space research, though we get quite used to the benefits that we derive from there, whether it is in the form of being able to see the world in your drawing room or talk to anyone in the area just by having a small mobile in your hands. So it is important to educate our youngsters in particular about this great universe that we live in. And it was in that direction that I was just talking to Mr. Richard that I had made an endeavor some time back to set up a planetarium in Europe and see, because the place is chosen for the science city, including the planetarium of the university, and somehow I couldn't get through the university and syndicate. So that's where the ends, because I don't feel the need for our youngsters to know about space. In today's world, where there is that information exclusion because of the IPS, etc., and therefore there is a need. But what is happening is that this effort has been made by the International Space Society, headed by Mr. Nikhil Joshi, to call important luminaries from ISRO who have done a primarily work in our country and make a country proud of their research in India. Though we may be lacking in many other parameters and the various indexes that you have on the international forum, but as far as the space research is concerned, India is one of the top of one. And therefore to have those experts to be there is indeed, I'm sure must have been a great benefit to the students who must have interacted with them. There are, it was in the engineering college itself that the students devised certain Wi-Fi groups, you would say, take you to different planets. The models of those, and it's happening that you all participated in a futuristic exercise that about the habitat on Mars, the red planet, the planet which we perhaps know more about than other planets, but still that knowledge has to be expanded. More and more people have to be aware of it. I compliment the pictures and Dr. Mufai to taking that exercise on and into practice with you. I thank you for giving me this opportunity.